Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin itong reaction video ang new performance ng The Divas of the Queendom. So without further ado, let's all watch this.
Hannah and
Gee.
Hazel. Christmas Carol, Diva and
Christmas
Hazel,
Carol.
Divas of the Queendom.
Ay, andito na si Mami Hazel. Oo nga pala. Tingin. Ay, bongga. Bongga to. Bongga ito. Kahit kakapanood ko lang yung Oh Holy Night ni Laika. Ay, bongga. Bongga the ribs.
A new and glorious morn.
Yes.
I hear the angels' voices all night, divine all night.
Grabe talaga yung may ano talaga no, may ano talaga yung kay Julie na boses. Sige nga, Jules. Oh, wow. Oh, ang feelings. Ay, wait, ito na. Harmonization. Wait na, can you just repeat on that part? Kasi to ang ganda ng pagkaka-execute ni Julie doon. Sorry.
When Christ was born, all night, divine all night,
Diba? Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng execution niya. Grabe yung control. Grabe yung control. PSL. Okay. Wow. Ang grabe naman yung Jules. Grabe naman yung emotion. Ang ganda talaga ng boses si Julie. Yung si Julie yung nag-ano ng Oh Holy Night, Cameron.
silent night,
Night.
holy night, eyes come, all is bright.
Wow. This is interesting. Not to mention the banda. Ang ganda ng tunog ng banda. Full talaga yung boses ni Rita. Grabe si Hana, oh. Yung hangin na nilalabas ni Hana. Grabe yung nilalabas na hangin. Proud na proud si Julie. Tingnan mo yung smile ni Julie. Gusto ni Julie tumingin sa likod eh. Gusto ni Julie tingnan ang dalawa sa likod eh. Ayaw lang. Kasi nga, nakaharap sa camera. Grabe yung hangin nilalabas ni Hana.
Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
Ang ganda ng mga tanong. Kung umpisahan nila.
Mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic hosts proclaim,
Yes, Thea.
born in Bethlehem. Hark the
Wow. Wow.
angels sing, glory, glory,
Oh, glory. Lahat.
hark the herald angels
Thea and Julie, the way sila mag-deliver pare-parehas.
peace on earth and mercy mild, and sinners
Yes.
joyful,
Hmm?
nations rise, join the triumph of the sky.
Please, Thea. Kasi ka naman, buga ng hangin. Parang hindi nawawala ng hangin. Ang ganda talaga ng lips ni Thea. Grabe yung lips ni Thea. Okay. Mami Isla.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive
Ganda ng atake.
her King.
Wow! Finally! Natinig ko na si Mami Isla. Yes. Walang himala, di ba Mami Isla? Alam mo yan. Ginawang disco pala. Okay. Grabe. Mixed tone? Mixed tone gamit yan, no? Uy, mahaba ngayon yung Queendom. Puti na lang. Si Julie, nasusustain niya yan? Anong tagal ko na gumagawa ng reaction video? Gulat na gulat pa din ako. Ang ganda ng tunog ng banda plus the arreglo itself, right? Wow, the way they ended their prod dear. They ate and left no crumbs, should I say? Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the Divas of the Queendom. I love it. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.